Hi, I'm Vikas. I'm a PTE trainer here at Bangalore, India. Today we're going to cover an important aspect which is scores breakdown. Now, the understanding of scoring is really important because it helps you train better. If you know how a question type is scored, it helps you understand to prepare better and practice better, which will eventually help you get better marks. Stay tuned in, you're in for a treat. If you liked the video or found it useful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Alright guys, so today I'm going to explain the criteria based on which your responses will be judged. During your PTE examination, you will be judged on various factors. The factors include content, oral fluency, pronunciation, form, grammar, vocabulary, spelling, development, structure, and coherence. There are a couple of other factors that I will mention to you, but these are the primary ones. Now, each question type have different scoring criterias or different criterias on which they are judged. I have mentioned them on each individual question type explanation in the coming videos. Now, content. Now, the reason why you need to understand scores breakdown is that you'll be able to understand the scoring better. When you understand the scoring better, you'll be able to score better. Right? I know it's a very simple logic, but it's really important that we understand based on the criteria based on which you're judged. Right? All right. The first most important thing is content. Content will be scored by counting the number of correct words, rather the relevant words in your response. Now, content holds good across all these sections. The next important factor is oral fluency. Oral fluency is scored by determining if your rhythm, phrasing, and stress are smooth. Basically, they'd like to check if another native speaker or a non-native speaker is able to understand what you speak in English. Remember guys, PT Academic is an English assessment test. So you will have to make sure that you are speaking native-like. The next important factor or criteria is pronunciation. Pronunciation is scored by determining if your speech is easily understandable to most regular speakers of the language. There are plenty of ways you could improve your pronunciation. There are plenty of videos out there on YouTube, guys. I would recommend you guys to go ahead and practice as much pronunciation videos and texts and recordings as much as possible. Form. Now, form primarily forms an important aspect in the writing section while judging the writing section. So it checks whether, especially during the essay, it checks whether you have followed a proper format or not, or if with the summarized text, it checks whether you have more than 5 words and less than 75 words. Right. The next important aspect is grammar. Of course, it checks if the basic structure of the sentence is correct, if it is understandable. Vocabulary, of course, it depends from person to person, and if you have to improve your vocab, I would strongly recommend that you do excessive reading, excessive literature reading. It will increase your vocabulary. You could also follow some videos on YouTube that will improve your vocabulary. Spellings, of course. Now, with the interesting thing about spellings is that they expect you to either follow the US standard or the UK standard. Now, for example, the word color is spelled as COLOUR in UK English. However, it is spelled as COLOR with US English. So regardless of what you use, just make sure you're using the consistent spelling. If you use COLOUR in one place and use COLOR in another, you will be given negative marks. All right. So the other aspect is development, structure, and coherence. This basically plays a role in your essay. I have provided a wonderful structure that you could use when you are writing your essay. Please follow my channel, you will get more updates on this. There are other aspects as well, like general linguistic range, grammar usage, mechanics, and vocabulary range. If you'd like to get more details on this course breakdown, please click on this link. It will take you there. I hope this video was useful, guys. By understanding this course breakdown, you will be in a better position to score well. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to leave a comment below. My name is Vikas. I take PTE lectures. Thank you for your time today.